So if you got room, you stay by yourself, man. You live near a beach, I can walk to that, boy. Hit me up, man. I'm trying to find somewhere close to a beach. And start looking for a job wherever that place is. I want to work on the beach. Do a gig on the beach. Most time I will be at the beach anyway. If I come through and just be washed off. Try to take a nap. Something like that. That's what I'm looking for. Somewhere near a beach. Positive place. Positive person. Now I know a drummer person. A house full of drama. You a loner, man. I fucks with you. That's me. I'm alone. I don't deal with nobody. Very peaceful person. But if it go there, I'll go there. I'm protective over people I love and myself. That's what I'm saying. You should be protective over yourself and the ones you love too. Yeah, I'm trying to live at the beach. Holla at me.